Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on Android. So guys, if you want to scan the QR code of any item or anything, then this app will be very useful. You can download this app. So guys, let's show you what you need to do to download this app. At first, go to your Play Store and now tap on the search bar and search QR code scanner. Tap on the first one and tap on install. So guys, as you can see, the app has been downloaded, and that's why you can download and scan any QR code with this app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.